Alright, gentlemen, this is lesson 2, video 2, solving equations by subtracting. So the rules of pretty much all solving is the same. It doesn't change. It's just the operations that you need to do are what will alter. And we're kind of splitting this up into a multitude of different operations, and then we'll combine them into multi-step solving. So for these ones, we have the need to subtract. So the opposite operation that you're going to use is subtraction. So x plus 7 is equal to 9. Again, the first thing that you want to do is underline the variable that you're solving for, which is x in this case. So since we're trying to solve for x, that means that the plus 7 needs to get canceled out. So the opposite of plus 7 is minus 7, so we're going to subtract 7 from the left. You're going to do the same thing to the right, so we're going to subtract 7 from 9 as well. These two will cancel out, and you'll just get x on the left side left. And x is going to be equal to 9 minus 7, which is 2. If you were to check that, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9, and so we do know that it works. Okay? So the second one is 0.7 is equal to r plus 0.4. Again, underline the variable that we're trying to solve for, which is r, which means that the plus 0.04 needs to be removed. So we're going to subtract 0.4 from both sides. Again, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. They cancel out on the right, and you'll get r. And then 7 minus 4 is 3, so you're going to get 0.3. And again, rewrite. So r is equal to 0.3 would be our solution. If we were to check that, 0.7 is equal to 0.3 plus 0.4. So 0.7 is equal to 0.7, and it checks. All right? So again, for these ones, the operation that we did was subtraction in order to cancel out additions, or positive numbers. So your two u-tries are d plus 1/2 is equal to 1, and 6.1 plus t is equal to 14.6. Okay, please remember, left side notes, right side these u-tries in your interactive notebook. That's on the left and the right of the actual spiral that's in the middle of the notebook. Please remember that, and again, try to use multiple videos on one page to try to save some paper. And that's it. Look out for the next two videos.